A research project, Ostreorisk, funded by the Spanish Ministry of Economy and Competitiveness, aims to provide new insights of Ostreopsis proliferations. One of the first accomplished studies addresses the connection between the presence of Ostreopsis and health symptoms in humans. Why, most often, high cell Ostreopsis concentrations are not related to any respiratory affectation. In a first phase, we conducted simultaneous epidemiological and ecological study on a beach affected by Ostreopsis blooms. From June to December, we sampled the seawater to track the increase and decrease of the Ostreopsis populations. We also measured the air, sea temperatures, water salinity and nutrient concentrations and the microorganisms abundances in the water and attached to the macroalgae. Simultaneously, 13 people who worked in front of the area where the Ostreopsis proliferated filled in a questionnaire where they annotated daily if they had the respiratory symptoms that could be caused by some compound produced by the Ostreopsis and that were present in the aerosol they breathe for more than 8 hours daily. What did we discover? During the proliferation of that year, 81% of the studied group presented at least one symptom possibly related to the Ostreopsis proliferation. These symptoms only appeared for a few days at the beginning of August, coinciding with the beginning of the period with the highest Ostreopsis concentrations. Thereafter, while the population of Ostreopsis remained high until the middle of October, the human health symptoms were negligible. We analyzed the wind pattern throughout the proliferation, exploring any particularity in the wind blowing from the sea to land during the period with more respiratory affections. With the available data, no clear trend was found. Our main working hypothesis is that the irritant compounds present in the aerosol are only produced during certain phases of the proliferation. Thereafter, even though Ostreopsis can be found in high concentrations, the situation does not seem to involve risks of respiratory distress. This tendency has also been observed again in subsequent years.